Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to get a story feature on your YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube, especially on smart device, you will see there's a lot of channel have a story feature already. The story feature is the same like we have on Facebook story, Instagram, same thing like that. The story feature is help a lot to improve your YouTube channel because you can express about your channel and small video clip. So now let's start how you can get this story feature on your YouTube channel. From your smart device, you need to click on your YouTube app. Once you click on your YouTube app, you need to log into your YouTube channel. If you already logged in, then click on your channel logo. Once you click all the way down, you will see help and feedback. Once you click on help and feedback, you go to the next page, you will see email us. You will get this email us feature only if you have a more than 1000 subscribers. If you have a less, then you will not get it. Then you click on email us. Then all the way bottom, click on channel and video features. And then you have to put your first name, last name, and your email address, whatever your channel email address. Then your channel URL name, and over here we need to write something specific what we need help about it. To get to the story feature, you need at least 10,000 subscribers. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna write down here, I think I have more than 10,000 subscribers and I need a YouTube story feature on my channel to improve my YouTube channel, or whatever you can ask about it. How about to be get the story feature? So once again, you will get the story features only if you have a more than 10,000 subscribers. If you have a less than 10,000 subscribers, you will not get to the story feature. That's the requirement to get the story feature. Description, then there is two options you have to choose according to your channel. Like if a yes, no, choose and then click on submit. And after you submit in 2 to 3 business days, you will get the story feature on your YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.